Hello and welcome to IT Security Labs. Today we're going through day 7 of Advent of Cyber challenge, and this is about log analysis. First thing that I did was I started the virtual machine for the room, make sure that I can connect. Then when I show split view, I see this. I'm going to show this in full screen view. And once we do that, our goal here is to learn about log analysis, and they walk us through what logs are here in the log primer and the different fields and the values that we have and how proxies communicate, which is nice. And then they said once we sign into the VM, the proxy logs are going to be in this location. So let's go check them out. We just do what we already have. Open a terminal in here. Okay, so going to that location and checking it out, we see we have access.log. Okay, let's see what do we have. What are we dealing with here? Okay, looks like just regular proxy logs. They're going to LinkedIn here in 200. Okay, all right. So what can we do with these logs? We can use Linux to interact with them and identify vulnerabilities, and we can use things like the cat command. Obviously, I'm not going through line by line in the tutorial with you, but here we're just using cat. We're using just to get the first field. What if we choose 2? Right, for 2, we get the IP address, and we can use Linux pipes to grep. Okay, I'm going to go straight to the questions. How many unique IP addresses are connected to the proxy server? I just cut and I saw that unique address, right? But let's pipe to sort that. Is that a command? Sort-u, I believe. I've done this before. Really? Then perhaps wc-l. Is this really 9 IP addresses? There's only 9 unique IP addresses in there. So that's the correct answer. Thank you, TryHackMe. So it's 9. How many unique domains were accessed by the workstations? Which field has domains? Okay, so the field for domain is probably going to be the time that these. So that one, 2. Let's sort for 3. Let's just grab the third field using this. I think we should be able to do it. 118, 118. Oh, we got it wrong. What did we do? Did we get anything here? Okay, so unique domains always because there's different ports. Oh, so they're technically unique without the port. So let's see if we can exclude the port and just get the domains alone. Okay, so what I'm going to do here, I will sort them to unique. Then I'll also pipe them to awk. In this case, I'm saying, hey, awk, use this as a separator, the semicolon, and print me just the domain names. Oh yeah, sure, let's do it. Let's do that. So now I see that I can sort again to unique, I guess. This is probably a janky way of doing it, but it seems to work for me right now. Then we'll pipe it to WC. Then we'll come back here. Then let's pipe it to WC-L to count. So it's 111. Let's hope that works. Okay, that was a long about way. What status code is generated by the HTTP request to the list access domains? Okay, let me just look at the raw log here. It's a number that shows me how many times something has been accessed. So I see that's the domain. This is a get. We got a 301. This is what value is this? That's a 6th value. Okay, so coming back here, they say display connections count made by each domain. So we can use this one here. This is a cat command that they have for each domain. Let's check it out. Okay, so we can sort this. I think that's what they did here. Sort-n to make sure that we sort them by the count. Okay, the list is on top. So this is the list access domain. What status code is generated by HTTP request to the list access domain? Okay, let's get that and grep for the domain. And right here, when you look, it's all 543s for this domain. So that's what they were looking for here. 503. Based on a high count of connection attempts, what is the name of the suspicious domain? Let's rerun that one that was sorting by unique. Office.com is normal. Login Microsoft is normal. Global Sign, that's the certificate domain. Frostings, whatever this is here, looks interesting to me. All right. What is the source IP of the workstation that accessed the malicious domain? So let's rerun the same command for access.log, but this time let's grep for the malicious domain. And then let's look who was accessing it. Is this IP address? It's the one IP address that has been accessing all of them. How many requests were made to the malicious domain in total? Okay, so do that. Let's count that with wc-l. That's how many requests we saw, I believe. Okay. Having retrieved exfiltrated data, what is the hidden flag? Having retrieved the exfiltrated data, what is the hidden flag? Up here, hunting malicious traffic, we found it. So rerunning our command for grep the malicious domain, we see that we do have some. This looks like a base 64, is it? Okay. So they're exfiltrating data slowly here. So we need to add all this data together and then decode it. It's base 64, but it's being tagged in HTTP. So they're exfiltrating using this. Let's see here. Grep suspicious domain, cut the fifth domain. Okay, I just want to do this. So where they are saying suspicious domain, we're going to give them the actual suspicious domain. Let's see if we can get it. Okay, but they're piping it to base 64-D. All right, so we see that these are just usernames. So looking here, the format should be TryHackMe or flag or something. Let's grep for this. Okay, so it's somewhere in this, but I was too lazy to look through it. So I just grabbed for the curly bracket and I see that it's right there. Okay, so there's more rooms here that have the same kind of setup. So go ahead and try them. Otherwise, thank you very, very much for being here and completing this with me. Otherwise, please remember to like and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time.